Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to install Elementor in WordPress. So let's get started. First of all, open your WordPress dashboard and then from the left menu bar, click on the plugins button. After clicking on the plugins button and opening the plugins page, click on the add new button. And now here, search for Elementor. After searching for it, click on install and then click on the activate button. So scroll down to create my account and click on the create my account button. Enter your email and password and then select the verification. So after completing the verification process, connect the Elementor. And here you have successfully activated Elementor on WordPress. That's how you will install Elementor in WordPress. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.